The Jakarta Mass Rapid Transit or Jakarta Mrt is a rapid transit system in Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia. Phase 1 of the project, Lebak Bulus to Bundaran Hi, was officially opened on 24 March 2019. It operates 285 trips daily from 5 am until midnight with 5 minutes headway. The Jakarta Mrt is expected to stretch across over 108 kilometers, including 36.9 kilometers for the north-south line from Lebak Bulus to Kota, and 87 kilometers for the east-west line from Cikarang to Balaraya. The MRT lines that are currently operational, under construction or planned are: the operational north-south line opened on 24 March 2019. It has 30 stations and it's 20.1 km long. Under construction is north-south line 2A from Bundaran Hi to Kota. It has 7 stations and it is 5.8 km long. Planned are north-south line 2B from Kota to Angkol Barat with 3 stations and 5.2 km long, and east-west line 3A and 3B. The north-south line will be built in 2 phases. After completion of MRT Phase 1 and 2, the MRT together with Transjakarta are predicted to serve 60% total trips made by Jakartans. Phase 1 connects Lebak Bulus to Bundaran Hi along 20.1 kilometers and consists of 13 stations, 7 elevated stations and 6 underground stations. Phase 1 was opened for free service on 24th of March 2019. Commercial service began on 1st of April 2019. Phase 1 is expected to serve 212,000 of passengers per day. This expected capacity may be maxed out to 960,000 of passengers per day. The 20.1 km distance is covered in under 30 minutes. Within its first month of operations, 82,000 of passengers use the line daily. Phase 2A will extend the north-south line northwards from Bundaran Hi to Kota and consists of 7 stations over 5.8 kilometers. Construction is planned to be completed by 2024, with the line operational by 2025. On 20th of February 2019, it was announced that the north-south line will be extended further towards Angkol. The extension was named Phase 2B. Yellow line east-west. A second line is planned to run east-west from Cikarang, West Java to Balaraya, Banten via central Jakarta. It is envisioned to be 87 kilometers long. Just like the north-south line, the east-west line will also be built in phases. Phase 3 will be 31.7 kilometers long and stretches from Kalideres in West Jakarta to Ujung Meteng in East Jakarta. The Jakarta Mrt employs cashless fare payment system. A dedicated contactless smart card known as the Jilaya can be purchased from the ticketing machines or ticket offices located at every station. Other accepted forms of payment include electronic prepaid cards, half-height platform screen doors. PSDs are installed at platforms of elevated stations, while full-height platform screen doors are used at platforms of the underground stations. Medical rooms are also available at every station to provide first aid to passengers and workers, if necessary. Security officers are regularly stationed at station entrances and platforms. Contract CP 108 for the procurement of rolling stock for the Jakarta Mrt was awarded to a consortium led by Sumitomo Corporation. There are 16 6-car MRTJ 1000 series train sets. On 10th of January 2018, the governor of Jakarta, Anies Baswedan, gave first batch of MRT Jakarta train sets the name Ratangga. The name was derived from the old Javanese word for chariots. It offers a women-only carriage during morning peak hours from 7 am to 9 am and in the afternoon from 5 pm to 7 pm. Daily ridership is 93,000 of passengers. Top speed of the train is 80 km per hour on elevated section and 100 km per hour on underground section.